chainsaw this year today from VEVOR, however you pronounce that company. They make pretty much everything these days. I've done a chainsaw from them before. It was a little bit smaller one. They just sent this one to me recently to try out. And this one's just a little bit bigger, a little more powerful. We got a 20-inch bar and chain. So you get the chain, you get the bar. We got our head unit here. You get a bag of different tools. You do get some earplugs and stuff, some other types of tools. You also got a little file for sharpening. You got your chain guard here. It does come with a little funnel. You got a mixing bottle so you can mix your fuel. You got your user manual, and that's pretty much everything that comes with this one. Now this is going to take a mixed fuel. A 40-to-1 ratio is what's recommended. And for those that are wondering what I use the VP Racing stuff for my mixture. It works pretty well. And you could buy that pretty much about everywhere. Personally, I either order mine on Amazon or I get it at Walmart. Now let's go ahead and put this together real quick and we'll see how well it starts up, and we'll cut down a tree or two. I know the other chainsaw I have from them has worked really, really well. It actually surprised me how decent it actually was, especially for the price range. Now you also want to make sure that your teeth is facing forward, that way it bites onto the tree. Now when you're using these chainsaws for the first cuts, these brand new chains can get a little bit of a slack, so you want to make sure you have your tool with you to tighten it back up after every few cuts. You also need to make sure that you put some bar and chain oil in here. I just used some cheap stuff. Now my fuel's been sitting since last summer, but I am hoping that it's going to be fine because it did have the stabilizer and the mix in it. Now this will be the very first time starting it. Make sure you flip up your switch, pull out your choke, and I like to use the ground just to make it a little easier and more stable. So the first initial start did take a few times. It was the very first time ever starting it. Usually they'll tell you to pull it 7 to 10 times and then open the choke. This one took a little bit longer, but usually after that first initial time, it'll be a lot faster. After that, it's starting up pretty easy first try. Alright, now I just got to figure out what tree I want to cut down today. so the chainsaw works really well. I think I'll go tackle, I have some cedar logs. We'll go tackle one of those real quick. We finally took down this really big cedar today. Now I got logs I got to deal with and turn into firewood. It's a pretty large log to use with a chainsaw this size. They used a 42-inch to bring it down. That was a pretty big stump. All right, well, that'll be my quick demo for the VEVOR chainsaw. This one is the 20-inch model. I think the demo says for itself that the VEVOR chainsaw does work pretty well. It does have some decent power. This one is the 20-inch model, so it will deal with some decent-sized trees. Now, it's a little small for a tree like this size, but it is working pretty well to get the tree bucked up. If you're looking for a pretty decent chainsaw, definitely check out the VEVOR. They're pretty cheap. They got some pretty decent power. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.